doing?
Not going.
Come on now. Give me one. They scared of the police. Uh-oh, we about to catch this lightning. Here it comes. 5, 4, 3, 2, bam, it hit to the side. You saw that?
Uh-huh.
Reach forward. We need to catch it.
Over here.
You get that side, I got front. Uh-oh, got a flash. Uh-oh. I'm here with my wife, Keela Little, one of the most prettiest women in the world. We're about to catch this nice lightning storm that we're having in Augusta. Don't do this at home, people. We are professionals.
I think I got it.
I got it too.
We professional storm chasers.
We the only black ones that do this type of stuff. We the darker storm couple. Call her Mocha. My name Chocolate.
Mocha and Chocolate.
Yeah.
We're not doing too good.
I know, right? Uh-oh, we got a little thunder there. Jesus has farted. What's going on? We gotta get this going. We got a turn signal that nobody's turning on. I don't know if, oh, that's right, we in Georgia. Is this recording going right or wrong? Everybody.
So serious.
Can you see?
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Yeah,
It looked like it's about to flood. All the cars done slow down. Let me show you cars. They done slow down just from a little rain because we are in Georgia.
Oh man. Alright, I'm out. I'm not getting anything, so.
Uh-oh. The clouds getting kind of dark. Uh-oh, we about to hit some water.
Flash flood.
We about to hit some water. Uh-oh. Everything slowed down now. Look at that. We going 24 miles per hour. We're going, and we it's only rain. We is going. They acting like we're gonna die. Everybody.
All the stores are cleared out. Everything on the shelf.
There's
is
no
gone.
drug dealers on the street. They can't stand to get wet.
You are so crazy.
We are in Georgia.
We are in Georgia. I'm about to stop. You about to make me crash. Yeah. Okay, now I'm
You
back
be careful
on.
on this.
I'm back on, y'all.
Uh-oh. My wife is back on. We're gonna. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Barely. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, everybody. We turned into the house. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. Choosh. Regular house. We're in Georgia.
Oh, shit. Oh, street flooded, baby.
Oh, Lord.
I don't say Ragley. There it goes.
We ain't got a regular
Oh,
house.
shit.
That's the sign showing y'all how to get to our house. You can only go 20 miles per hour in our driveway.
It's so crazy.
Alright,
Oh,
everybody. I'm out. I don't know if my phone waterproof or not. So, we got to get better equipment. We out.
All right.
You
We
done,
out.
Mocha? Anything you got to say, Mocha?
Mocha over and out.
Alright. Chocolate is out.